Hey guys, how is it going? So I was working on these yesterday and I did upload a few videos of me organizing. So this is now going to be a box of mixes like this that don't really have any other place to go. I did add the charms to this, or the chains, not charms, my goodness, chains to this box, and I also moved the clouds. This box is kind of, I guess it's just going to be kind of like random nail art. Really, I wanted them to, to have this box to be for mixes like this. So maybe I'll use up this nail art and then have more space for mixes. So I had a bunch of colored charms and I was like, what do I do with them? Where do I put them? So I figured that this box could be the box for colored charms or rhinestones like this that I have too many of and I just don't have anywhere to put them. So, because most of my acrylic organizers, I've already kind of organized everything in them, so they're pretty much full, so I don't really have more space. So this is what's going to happen for now, I guess, until I can figure out something else. And then this box is just going to be like a kawaii box. So I have bows down here, giant Hello Kitty heads. There's cows. This is a mix of different charms. These are cupcakes with bunny heads on them, bees. I have to still move these clouds out to the other organizer, but yeah, I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this box for more of like chunky colored gems until I can get another acrylic box organizer or two, and then we can, continue like that. But for now, I'm just going to reuse the organizers that I already have, and then I'm just going to be using this one for chunky color charms. Because over here, as you can see, I already have everything pretty much full. So I have huge chunky gems here. I have smaller ones here. So if you see space, it might be like a square or two. See? Rhinestones, colored rhinestones. These 3 rows up and down are flowers that do need to go with my other flowers, but they don't fit over there, so they'll just kind of stay here until I can figure out more space. Full. See what I mean? I need another one of these. Okay, I'm one-handed now. I'm like, hello? And then this is full of bears. So I wanted this organizer to be full of bears. I just think that they're so cute. And then this is kind of like my sweets. Ice cream, there's cherries up there. Strawberries, lollipops. This is my flower organizer or flower box that I just recorded a video with. And these are all metal embellishments. And I think that there's a few spots down here for more butterflies because I love butterflies, so I'm sure that I'll get some more butterfly nail arts. So I wanted to leave some space. Then these I'm going to be using right now to create a Barbie set, so I think that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I'm going to set up for this press-on set that I am going to do. So I'll have you kind of set up with me for that. Alright, so I have really been kind of influenced by Barbie, and I wanted to create a Barbie set. Barbie is all over the place right now. I wanted to create my own press-on set. I do want to create a press-on set for myself, or maybe a Gel-X set for myself. But for now, I think I'm going to just create a Barbie set for the fun of it. So what I do is when I create a press-on set, just for now to play with, to see kind of, I don't know, see how far I can go with design, see what my limits are, see what I can do. So that's what I've been doing lately, and so that's why I have, in the last couple of shorts and things, I have shown you all of the press-on sets that I have made. Now, I have made those press-on sets to my size. In case I can't do anything with those press-on sets, I at least have press-on sets that will fit me and I don't have to like toss them out or get rid of them and it'll be a waste of money, right? So when I size these tips, I size them out to myself. Now, if I ever made an Etsy shop, I would probably upload those, to show you guys what I can do. And then when I get a custom order, I'll just make your press-on set according to your custom order. I'm trying to figure out a shop name. I'm trying to figure out where I could kind of figure out a logo. I have maybe an idea or two of what I can do. I'm not really like savvy with, you know what, I used to be when I was younger. When I was younger, I could create logos. I was making, you know, websites for the fun of it. And, you know, just for fun. I was just, you know, I was always on the, you know, how the computers were back in the day, the desktops. I mean, I remember dial-up connection. I remember all that. And AOL, I remember. So I remember always being either online or I would take like the, kind of like the note section. But you remember back in the day, the computers didn't really have any applications or, you know, kind of like, they weren't how like, you know, how the computers are now, right? So I remember I would just take like the notes section and I would just type, just type random. Hi, my name is blah, blah, blah. I live in, you know, and I would just type. And I think that's why I'm decent with, you know, with computers now, but when it comes to design, there's so much stuff out that I don't even know where to begin. I'm like, oh my goodness. So just let me know in the comment section down below if you have any ideas or any advice. Started to pick out a few polishes. This is the next thing I have to organize. Like I can't. So if I don't use the whole piece, I still save, you know, little tiny pieces, because even if you use like a piece of it, I don't want to throw the rest of it away. So, and normally I have all of these organized, but I think recently I was doing a foil video, and I meant to put all of these away, and I didn't get a chance to put them all away. The issue is that I love storing them in these bottles. I don't have enough of these bottles. What I've started to do is store them in these cases, so I need to get more cases like this so that I can store them in there and they won't look like this. So this is perfect. I gotta get more of these cases because I'm in between here, but some of these have not just one in them. I mean, a lot of them do, but some of them have a ton of them in there. So I need a couple cases. See all these? Like, I would love to use these. So I've got a lot of foil here. I just need to roll them all up and stick them in these cases for now. So the reason I'm in here is that I'm looking for my Barbie foil. I found the princess foil, but I can't find the Barbie foil that I had. Oh, hey, found her. Here she is. This to me is like old school Barbie. Sorry, I'm trying to put these all away. I'm just going to squeeze these in somewhere. I'm going to try all these foils again because so many of these foils I could not get to transfer, but I think, you know, throughout the years I have learned to try different glue foils. And so I finally found a glue foil that works for me. So we're going to try it out with these foils that never really worked for me and see how that goes. I know smiley faces are really big right now, so this would be cute to do a set with. There's all these bows. I have a lot of foil, like a ton. So I like to keep little pieces like this, just in case you're doing kind of like a scrap nail. So I like to keep all these little pieces. So I need to have a little container for all these little pieces and put all these other foils away. I'm going to try to keep all of these flowers together. Really, I want them individual in separate containers. I don't have that right now. So I need to do what I can and kind of group some of the foils together until I can get my foil organization down. And sorry for the truck in the background. Wasn't I just commenting on someone else's? I was just commenting on somebody's video saying, man, when once you hit that record button, a truck goes by, you know, somebody wants to cut grass, your AC unit turns on, somebody, you know, does some noise outside, an airplane wants to fly over. You know what I just thought about? What about layering foils? I just put and I thought that looked really pretty. I wonder if you can put some more foil glue over that foil and kind of foil again, just like a stamp. I'm going to try that out and see if that even works, because that's really pretty. Anyway, just me thinking about different designs. You see, everything gives me inspiration. Everything. Okay, I have cleaned up this box as much as I can. With just a few kind of loose foils just like this. Got the boxes, which I gotta get more of, so I'll be able to put all of this in boxes like this, and then we won't have all these. Which I don't mind these. I don't mind these at all, but where do you find these? You feel me? Like, these are hard to find. And if you do find them, are they the right size to hold the foils? That's my thing. So I started to look into these, and I'm just gonna start to, hopefully I can find more of these and order, I don't know, 20 of them or something, and start off with those and see what I can do. And then these little guys, I'm just going to put them in here for now until I can figure out what to do with them. Maybe I can find a little something to put them in. But yeah, these are all my foils. So I am going to take the Barbie one out. And I'm looking around to see if there's anything else that kind of catches my eye. I do like this pink foil, so maybe we'll take that out. It's like a beautiful pink hollow. I have so many foils and I can't see what I have because there are so many foils that are kind of intertwined with each other. So I would have to open these all up, which I just put them all away. I might do one of these. Let's see what's in here. These look interesting. This is kind of like Barbie. This is giving me Barbie vibes. Is it giving you Barbie vibes? It's kind of giving me Barbie vibes. Let's see. We'll stick that one to the side. I do love all these bows, but it's not really giving me Barbie vibes. This heart's beautiful. Forgot I even had these foils. But not giving me Barbie vibes. This pink one with the hearts gives me Barbie vibes. Just not really what I'm looking for. Gold hearts. Red hearts. Pink hearts. Hollow black. I don't know. You let me know if any of these kind of pop out like Barbie to you. Not really. These don't really pop Barbie to me except for that one. So I'm going to take her out. And we do have a couple of other foils, Barbie, that we are going to use here. So I'm just trying to see, you know, trying to put together in my head a design, colors. I'm definitely going to use gems, rhinestones for sure, but I want to start off and see what colors I'm going to use. Yeah, this is going to take me a little minute, so I'm going to keep this close by because I need to put the foils away. There's no sense in putting it away when I will eventually have to put the rest of the foils away, right? So I got to come out with a design in my head, and all I'm seeing is pink gems, you know, foil like this, hollow. I'm seeing pinks. I got these two kind of hollow. I don't know if you can see that in a very small window, but I got these two kind of pink hollow polishes. Probably use those on top of maybe these colors. And yeah, I'm just going to start and see what I come up with. I am a huge fan of trying out different foil glues. So I have She Modern Grip Gel. This is for foil art. I haven't really used this one much, but I need to start using it a lot more. This foil gel or foil transfer gel from Daily Charm, I struggle with it sometimes. I guess I just need to practice with it a lot more. I don't know if I have more foil glues. I don't think so. I think those are the only ones I have for the moment. But this right here, this is it. This is my favorite foil glue gel that I have ever used. If you're looking for a foil glue gel that you want to work, try this one out. I have made several videos about this probably a while ago. But I got this off Amazon. I actually got myself, I think, 2 more bottles. Just because I love this stuff so much. So this is it. And you can see that there are 2 more bottles in here. So yes, girl, I love, love, love this stuff. This is on Amazon. I'll link it down for you in the description below, okay? But when I tell you this stuff works, this stuff works. Works so good. So I'm going to keep this over here. Then I got a couple of products on this side that I'm going to use as well, like base coat, top coat, things like that. So I think I'm going to make a new video about making this set. I just really wanted to set up with you guys because I really didn't want this video to take forever. Just wanted to hang out with you for a little bit. So yes, I'm sorry if you thought that I was going to be making the set in this video. I am not. But I will be making a separate video about it. Because I want to dedicate a whole video to the Barbie set. So that is what I'm going to do. So follow me to the next video if you'd like for me to see, or you'd like to work or to watch me or follow me or be with me while I create this Barbie set. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching up until this point. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.